Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. If you are new, my name's Natalie. I do a lot of college, lifestyle, beauty, and productive videos, so you should totally hit that subscribe button. Today's video is going to be a what I eat in a day. So this is kind of like just like a typical what I eat in a day video. It's pretty self-explanatory, and I kind of just change it up every day. I obviously don't eat the same thing every single day, but I am a college student, so this is what I eat on a typical day-to-day basis when I'm at home or even when I go to campus. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and let's go eat breakfast.
Good morning, guys. So I started my day off a little late today, but the first thing I do is drink a ton of water, and then I'm heading downstairs for some breakfast. So today I decided to make some blueberry protein waffles by Kodiak Cakes, and I really love the blueberry flavor. It's so good. I've tried the cinnamon and also the dark chocolate, but the blueberry just hits differently. So I'm going to toast 2 waffles, and these have protein in them, so it's really nice to get some protein in the morning. And then I'm just going to top it off with some pure maple syrup. I'm cutting some fresh strawberries on the side and also a little bit of an apple on the side as well. The next thing I like to do is make coffee. So after I get hydrated with water, I will go ahead and make a cup of coffee. So I'm just refilling some water in the Keurig right now, and I have some homemade pure vanilla syrup that I made in the Torani bottle. And then I also bought the Jordan's Skinny syrup from TJ Maxx the other day, which is what I'm going to be using today. So I'm just making a 6-ounce cup of coffee, and I'm making sure I hit the strong button because I really needed the caffeine today. And I just pour like a very tiny amount of the vanilla syrup in. I don't like my coffee super sweet. And then I really have been enjoying oat milk. I am using the Oatly brand. And here's my breakfast for the day. Normally I eat my breakfast downstairs just to like try and keep the upstairs clean and stay away from all the crumbs because we have carpet upstairs. But just for the sake of this video, I brought my breakfast and coffee upstairs, and I started to edit a video, and then I did some studying for a tax exam coming up. Alright, so probably around, I think it was 2 o'clock, I kind of got a little hungry, but not super hungry to where I wanted lunch, so I decided to make a smoothie. This is my go-to smoothie. I make the same smoothie every single time, so I use half of banana, about a teaspoon of flax seeds, chia seeds, and cacao powder, and then I add some frozen berry mix, which has blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and blackberries. I normally use almond milk, but we didn't have any, so I decided to just use regular milk. Although I could have used oat milk, but I've never had oat milk in a smoothie, so I was kind of hesitant to do that. And then now I'm just adding a handful of spinach, and then I'm just going to use the NutriBullet and blend that all together. And then I also added some ice to that as well. So I started to get hungry for lunch. Around 5 o'clock, I decided to make a pesto sandwich at home. So I'm just using some Ezekiel bread that I get from Sprouts, And then for the basil pesto sauce, I'm using this Classico traditional basil pesto sauce, and I'm spreading about a teaspoon of the sauce on each loaf. Now I'm just going to add some honey roasted turkey breasts, and I only add about 2 or 3 slices of this to my sandwich. Now some cheese. I'm going to add provolone cheese. I normally use fresh mozzarella, but we didn't have any. So I did 1 slice of provolone cheese, and now I'm adding 2 slices of a tomato. Once I add everything on my sandwich, I'm going to put the other loaf on top to close off the sandwich, and I'm going to turn on the stove to medium-high heat, add my sandwich to a pan, and just grill it to where it's a really nice brown grilled, basically panini sandwich is what I'm trying to go for. So this is what the sandwich looks like after you take it off the pan. It's super delicious. This is like my go-to snack or lunch if I am in a hurry, and I demolished it very fast. Around 5:45 is when I finished eating. And for dinner, I had some leftover spaghetti from the night before. So we have some garden mix noodles and then some turkey meat for the meat sauce, and just some good old traditional roasted garlic tomato sauce. And for dessert, tonight I decided to have a small little ice cream cone with some Rocky Road ice cream. I forgot to do an outro for this video, but I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see more what I eat in a day videos, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you so much. Bye guys.